Good afternoon, everybody. This is Prince Osas from PFM TV, live here at Ugbor Village Junction. This road used to be one of the most difficult roads for vehicle to get through. But thank God to our governor, the governor of Edo State, the Okpebholo, the Okpebholo, who has made it possible for this road to be motorable. This is the continuation of this road, the extension. They are extending it to make sure that the traffic here will not be choking up again. This is still at Okpebholo Road Junction. Good afternoon, sir. Well, sir. Yes, PFM TV is live here at Ugbor Village Road Junction between First Ugbor and Ugbor Village Road. So these are all the axes that leads to the very known Ugbor as GROA. So you can see that the work that's going on here is very massive. Okpebholo. Edo is shining. Yes, sir. My name is Prince Osas from PFM TV. Please, what is your name and where are we right now?
My name is Okpebholo. I'm in First Ugbor.
Okay, Mama, please, can you tell us the condition of this road before now?
This road was very bad. This place was having a pothole. This particular place that I'm pointing. You see the road before, even a pregnant woman cannot enter a vehicle. The way the gallop of the road is before. But now everything is just smooth once. Edo is really shining. Edo is just the best. If you can go to other states, they are fighting that way. But Edo is a peaceful place. Edo does not have any problem.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Prince Osas from PFM TV.
Well, my name is Samson Oyebu.
So, what was the state condition of this road before now that the governor has stepped in here? What was the state condition of
it? A lot. Give us better road. So, before we enter our house, we have to enter Ghana per day before we enter our house. Our government is trying because make people put effort. I'm not saying one person will finish everything. The way we don't do. If we go get advance, I made the advance, I made the door away, many roads, it's bad. Let the do make all system for us.
Amen. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Prince Osas from PFM TV. What is your name and where are we right now?
My name is Sister Anna. We are First Ugbor Road.
Okay, Mama, this First Ugbor Road, what was the condition of this road before now?
Before the road was bad, then now the road is good. Before, if motor dey pass, the hold up go dey dey road, some motor go dey spoil, but now it's not like that. Everybody is moving free. Nothing like hold up, nothing like passport. Everybody have freedom. But the road is fine.
What would you like to say to the working governor?
It's the best. The project was abandoned project, so he came and finished it. God will bless him for that.
Amen. They say Edo dey shine. Na true say Edo dey really dey shine.
Edo dey shine. Since he come, you are see the difference.
As of last year, this road was not motorable at all. It was always choked. Officers were always on road 24/7 because of the way the road was bad. But this year, we thank God, before the end of the year, the government has been able to, at least it's motorable. Officers that they can rest for some time before they can go on again because of the traffic jam. But this period of the festive season, the road is actually tight. So that is why you can see we are here. Working governor will say thank you very much, and we'll be seeing what he has been doing that Edo is actually fine.